Okay, it is, snowing here. It snowed last night, and it's still snowing. The roads here in Wisconsin are slippery. And, the thing is, just to kind of laugh about this, but even I started thinking lately, it's like, yeah, even if I get a job and give Menards a 2-week notice and report Menards East in Eau Claire, Wisconsin to OSHA, seeing that Amber, when she calls me for a carryout, wants me to leave strings of carts in back of parked vehicles, and right in that middle of the road there, where there's high traffic. And she wants me to do about face in front of vehicles, even if you don't know if they're behind you or not. So I'm saying sometimes you don't hear some of them vehicles until, they're real close to you. So, it's my word against theirs, because I don't think they can hear her chewing me out if they still have that security footage from the camera by that door. The door that says out right there, over towards the letter M there. Because, like I said, she shouldn't have chewed me out there, because that's where customers could hear you, let alone see what's going on. And then, like I said, I did nothing wrong. I was thinking of my own safety. Like I said, I remembered what 2 assistant managers told me, but, it's something that's hard to prove, because OSHA, yes, they would investigate it before they know if it is 100% true or not. It'd be basically like I would say, my word against theirs. And I just wouldn't be able to prove that Amber Vatique told me that. But it's a lot of things that you'd have to try to prove. But if it's slow enough, they probably will send me home at noon. I'm just saying, because there should be a cart pusher that'll come in at 10. So if it's snowing like this, it ain't gonna be terribly busy, But that's gonna be the big thing too, is and people are driving like really fast when the roads are icy and slippery this morning. I'm like, holy shit. Here I'm only going 30, 25 miles per hour, and they're going 45 miles per hour on slick roads. I mean, I was just thinking, it's like, go ahead, go flying in the ditch. I'm just trying to get to work safe. But yeah, I got 4-wheel drive, so I can pretty much get through the snow a little bit easy. Depends on how many inches there are. Yeah. And that's the thing. I really just don't see us being here till 2 o'clock today, honestly. I mean, there's that pay-per-view I want to watch anyway. That's tonight. It's a wrestling one, but, quite frankly, there's a lot of things I don't want to say to Menards you know, and this is always the true thing. You think I'm so bad with being safety conscious because I was a part of the safety team at Walmart? You know, once I no longer work for you guys, is what I would say to Menards, but I'm not really going to because then I get in trouble. The one that you replace me with could be a lot worse, and they might tell you where to get off at for chewing them out for no reason. And they might not last a year. They might chew you out real bad, because yes, I had a supervisor that said it's alright to cry as a supervisor, but not to have everyone see you crying. Because they said that they do cry, you know. And not to be ashamed of it is what they said. Even though it says in Walmart CBLs, yes, to be an assistant manager, store manager, or supervisor, department manager, you cannot cry. They want you breathing and counting to 10 to control your anger and temper, basically. Because they don't want you lashing out completely at your employees. And they want you having no favoritism and treating fair and equal. Even at Menards, I could see there's favoring. Even right now, I could, which I'm not going to say because then I'll get in trouble. I can tell they favored at Michael Alexander. I'm like, you never gave any of us cart pushers that kind of. And, you know, it's like, I have cashier numbers, and I said I did not want to be a cart pusher. If you were alright with me, I would have been still cashiering to this day and getting way more hours as a cashier than I do at carts. And that's the thing too, is like with him, they went and trained him how to cashier, but then they taught him something they never even showed me or taught me, nor the other ones. The only other one that knows how to do it is Dan Scanlon. And I'm like, you guys don't know that we don't know how to do that kind of stuff? Yeah, they would be baffled if they found out.